A proposed trade union act has been drafted in Burma, but concerns about child labour continue. According to the International Labour Organization, if passed through Parliament, the new act, which would permit the establishment of trade unions to represent workers, could bring very positive change to Burma. However, the new law will likely have no direct impact on child labour, which continues to be a problem in the country. According to factory workers, there are still many youths working in factories to earn money to help their families. In December last year, the ILO's Child Labour Index and Map scored Burma 0 out of 10 for their child labour record. Many children are lured into low-paid or dangerous jobs when families are unable to pay for their education. Often, larger companies will not employ underage labourers for fear of reprisal. This means children end up taking hazardous jobs in the unofficial sector, where the workforce is not regulated and workers may be subject to exploitation and abuse. This 12-year-old boy was a servant at the house of Aung Zaw Myin, a township coordinator for the USDP, the party that won Burma's recent elections. After Aung Zaw Myin and his wife were found to be abusing the boy at their house, the local Child Welfare Association reported them. The child had been trying to earn money for his family, but had been badly paid, repeatedly abused by his employers, and had suffered severe injuries. As the new parliament in Burma prepares to introduce new legislation, there are some hopes for positive change in Burma. But as long as the economic situation in the country remains the same, children will continue to look for any way to earn money, despite the risks they may be exposed to.